Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to introduce how to set up hassle-free AI coding using VS Code, Cline Deepseek version 4 Flash. You can see I built this entire game using VS Code, Cline and DeepSeek version 4 Flash, and I did it completely free. So without wasting any time, let's build this setup step by step. Open VS Code. Now we have to set up workspace. Open Explorer. Click Open Folder. Click Documents. Click New Folder. Set folder name. New hyphen project. Select folder. Go to Extensions. Go to Search. Type Cline. Click Cline. Click Install. Click Trust Publisher and install. Click Trust Workspace and install. Now Cline is installing. Cline is installed. Click Mark Done. Go to Cline. Click Login to Cline. Click Open. Click just once. It will be redirect to browser. You can see the login options. Continue with SSO. Continue with Google. Continue with Microsoft. Continue with GitHub. Now I will choose continue with Google. Now I am logged on as Google account. Click Authorize. Click Open Visual Studio Code. Go to VS Code. Click Open. You can see the model DeepSeek version 4 Flash. Click Model. You can see the free model here. DeepSeek version 4 Flash. Laguna S 2.1 free. Step 3.7 Flash. Now I am go with default DeepSeek version 4 Flash. Click Done. Let's check the response. Type hello. Hit enter. It's showing hello, I am ready to help you with your new project. Now I am given tasks to him. Create a chess game in single HTML file. Hit enter. Now code is generating. You will have to wait. Click save. Now code is generated. Client run the web page. Click just once. Now you can see the output. It's pretty cool. Let's test the game. Game is working now. You can also open this file on your created folder. Close web browser. Minimize VS Code. Open this PC. Documents. Open folder. Double click on chess.html. Now web page is open. So viewers, that's all in this video. In this video you can learn how you can set up free AI coding in VS Code using Cline. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.